We will guide you through how to make audio spectrum in Camtasia. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click Camtasia to open it and begin the editing process. Click New Project to create your project and prepare the workspace for editing. Next, select the Media Bin option to access and manage your imported media files. Then, click the Import Media button to begin adding files to your project. Select the image you want to use and choose the audio file you want to add. Then, click the Open button to continue and import the selected files into your project workspace. Next, drag and drop the audio file onto the track section. Here, cut and delete the unnecessary parts, and keep only the section you want to use. Next, click Camtasia Assets at the top to access the available assets for your project. Scroll down through the available options until you find the Audio Visualizer section. Click See All to view all the available audio visualizer options and choose the one that best fits your project. Scroll down to find options such as audio bars reflection, and many others. For this example, select the audio ring option. Drag and drop it onto the track section and adjust its duration to match the audio. Move the audio ring to track 3. Next, access the media bin again. Drag and drop the image onto track 2 and adjust its duration as well. Then, adjust the image size and position so it is centered within the spectrum on the preview screen. You can click the play button to preview the result and check the arrangement. Next, select the audio ring and go to the right side of the interface. You can adjust the spectrum style, such as changing its color, along with several other settings. Once you are satisfied with the settings, click the play button to view the final result and make sure everything looks correct.